All right, in this little video here, we're going to go ahead and show you how to update a WordPress theme. Once you get logged into the admin area of your website, you'll again see this little update box there, but you notice that plugins doesn't have an option here to update because we're not looking for the plugins. Update is underneath of appearance and then themes. And very similar to the plugins, you have multiple options to be able to update your themes as well. You can update right there. You can click on the theme details. You can see here, view the details. This is where it'll show you what's changed. So you can go in there and actually view the change log if they have one. Not all themes do. But once you can visualize what it is, you can go ahead and update that. Up in here, dashboard to updates as well. Again, same or very similar things if it's in the themes category instead of into the plugins. But you see here we have version 1.2. We need to update to version 1.3. So we just select all, or in the themes area, just click the update now button. It brings us essentially to the same location and it is updated. So now if we click on theme details, we're now on version 1.3. If it's a major version, like going to version 2.0 or even 1.2 to 1.3, those things might be a security update. They may break things, so it's always best to do these updates in a staging type environment to make sure that nothing breaks. That's it for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.